Hey there folks, this is DMC Jedi Man. I'm coming to you with another video. Today's another taste test, but before I reveal it, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you're notified when I upload. So today I'll be trying Twix Cookie Dough. Found this at my local dollar store. Definitely wanted to give it a try. There's also an M&M's cookie dough. I did spot it today, but it was a larger, more expensively priced package, and I didn't want to get it today. I will guarantee, though, if I haven't found it in a smaller thing, next time I get it, as long as I have the money to afford it, I will get it. But let's check this out, because this does sound pretty good. If I can get the box open. I really glued this one in. All of that to then have a plastic packaging inside. Oh, they smell good though. Obviously, the pieces look like that. Well, I can taste the cookie dough part of it, so it is cookie dough. Unfortunately, the pieces of the Twix that are mixed in here appear to be too small to add their flavor to it, so all I taste is cookie dough. Hold on, there's a piece down towards the bottom that looks like it might have a larger bit of Twix in it. I want to try that one because I want to see how it does taste for the two flavors. Come here, you. Yeah, unfortunately, even that one with its larger piece of the Twix bar still didn't give me a taste other than just cookie dough, so. Although I will say these do taste good, if you're looking for Twix flavoring with the cookie dough, unfortunately, it misses the mark. Definitely tasty though, but I can kind of see why these ended up at a dollar store. Anyway, hope everyone enjoyed that video. I will be back with another one soon. This has been DMC Jedi Man, and I'm signing off. Peace, everybody.